A pass at an arcade venue allows for 8 rounds of certain game to be played. Each round lasts 14 minutes if the pass costs $40. What is the approximate cost per minute of play in cents? So here it is a bit question. Why? Here they given 8 rounds for a pass to certain game to be played. Each round lasts 14 minutes. Each round equals to 14 minutes. If each round is 14 minutes, then what about 8 rounds? 8 rounds equals to 8 times 14 minutes, right? Yes. So 8 times 14 minutes equals to 112 minutes. This is total time. Total time equals to this much. Was that cost? $40. Here we did one conversion in the beginning and there is one more conversion. What is that? The question given in dollars and the answer we need in cents. And what they're asking, what is the approximate cost per minute? Approximate cost per 1 minute they are asking. And we also need cost must be in cents. So cost is $40 per the total time I'm just taking 112 minutes. But we don't need this $40. We need in cents. So I'll just remove that dollar and I'll just multiply by 100 cents. $1 equals 100 cents divided by 112 minutes. Just if you put this 4,000 divided by 112 in the calculator, you'll get some answer. Can you just tell me that part?
That is 35.7, which is C.
35.7 cents minute. So product X is 25% greater than the price of product Y. The price of product Z is 25% less than the price of product Y. What is the ratio of the price of product X to the price of product Z? Here they given everything, but they did not given the value of Y, but they are keep on telling more than Y, less than Y. So first of all, let's write price of product Y. Let's write price of product Y that equals to Y itself. And then what they said in the beginning here, the price of product X, price product X that equals to 25% greater than the product of Y. Here 25% greater than the product of Y plus 25% of Y. This is what it means. So if you solve this part, you are going to get X equals to 1.25 Y you are going to get. Okay. This equals to, you can write Y plus 0.25 Y because 25 by 100 turns into 0.25. In the same way now, the price of product Z is price product Z is means equals 25% less than the price of product Y. What is the price of product Y? Price of product Y is Y 25% less, which means minus 25% Y. That will be equals to, you can consider this as Y minus 0.25 Y. Take Y common and then 1 minus 2.5, which is Z value is 0.75 Y. Now, what is the ratio of the price of product X to the price of product Z? Product X to product Z, that equals to product X is 1.25 Y divided by product Z 0.75 Y. Decimal points are after, I mean like it exactly once tenths. I mean sorry, after this 2 digits are there you can consider, and then 10th and 100th digits are there, and after for the denominator also 10th and 100th digit are there, so we can cross out the decimal point. They are equal numbers after decimal point, so that will be y also we can cross out, so we remained with 125 by 75. Hope you are writing. So we can cross this with what? We can cross out this with 25 times 3 and 25 times 5. You can cross out with other divisibility test rules also. You get same but multiple steps. So X to Z, which is equals to 5 to 3. Boxed, unloaded from a delivery truck at a constant rate. Constant rate. So you need to understand the problem connected with the rate problem. By 1 p.m., a total of 40 boxes had been unloaded. By 1 p.m., 40 boxes, please be silent,
Okay.
unloaded. And then by 3:30 p.m., by 3 p.m., a total of 65 boxes had been unloaded. What is the total number of boxes that will have been unloaded from the truck by 7 p.m.? By 7 p.m., how many boxes will be unloaded? So that's the question.
Hmm.
You need to understand here 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. What is the difference? 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. minus 1 p.m. That will be 2.5 hours. And I'll just equating that. That equals to the difference of this difference of boxes unloaded. 265 minus 40. That equals to 25. So in 2.5 hours, 25 boxes unloaded, right? If in 2.5 hours, I'm writing it in decimals, which is 2.5 hour, that equals to 25 boxes unloaded. BU. BU refers to 25 boxes unloaded. BU. Okay. Now, in 2.5 hours, 25 boxes unloaded. The question is by 7 p.m. So by 7 p.m. means 3:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. What is the time gap? 3:30 means 4:30, 5:30, 6:30,
6:30.
and 7. 3.5 times time is there. So 3.5 hour, that equals to how much? This is that how many boxes will be unloaded. Point number one, you can solve it by cross multiplication, or you can do it by unit conversion method. So I'll just go with unit conversion method. 3.5 hours is given. You need to find out dash boxes unloaded. So what I'll do here, hour is there. This thing we can write it as I want to. I have to remove this hour. I want answer in boxes unloaded. So I'll write hour here, and then hour in the denominator means 25 boxes unloaded divided by 2.5 hour. So 25 boxes unloaded in the numerator and 2.5 in the denominator. So what I'll do now, you can see the decimal place value is in the same place, so you can cross out this decimal place value. Now what is remaining here in the denominator? 25 is there, numerator 25 is there, cross out. So you remained with 35, and this hour also get crossed out. So cancel that part. You remained with 35 boxes unloaded. This is the answer. So finally, what we can write? 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours equals to 35 boxes unloaded. The way to do in a cross multiplication way is just take this part, and I'll just do it from here as well. So you see here, I'm just doing from here by using cross multiplication. Just cross multiply this and this. 2.5 hour, that equals to, I mean, 2.5 hour into x, that equals to 25 boxes unloaded into 3.5 hour. So if you need x, 25 box unloaded into 3.5 hour divided by 2.5 hour. It is same again. Cross out the decimal place values, same decimal place values. Cross out 25 ones, 25 ones, and hour, you remained with 35 in the numerator. X equals to 35 boxes unloaded. You can do it by cross multiplication, or you can do it by conversion factor method, whatever is easier for you.